Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel, Me and Gamma Lizard. If you have seen my previous videos, you will know that I'm currently reorganizing my workshop and myself. This video today is about another piece which goes on my honeycomb wall. I would use some tools more often if they were easily accessible. I have this bit screwdriver and it comes with 3 holders with bits. Now, to give the screwdriver its rightful place on the honeycomb wall, I need a holder for the screwdriver and the bits. The holder shouldn't be complicated and shouldn't take up too much space on the honeycomb wall. The first step is to determine what shapes and dimensions we need. That's the essential. Everything else is optional, for example, the design. So first, I will find out the dimensions. The hexagonal shape of the screwdriver is well suited for designing a mount here. From tip to tip or edge to edge, we have around 1.45 centimeters or 14.5 millimeters. So my idea is to just use a hexagon shape which is open on front and has an 8 millimeter hole on the bottom. The bit holder is 58.2 millimeters by 9.5 millimeters with a height of 50 millimeters. To save some space, I'm planning to stack or overlapping the 3 bit holders and lean them a little bit backwards to prevent them from falling off the holder. Okay, now we have the measurement and I can start to design the holder in Blender. The first thing is the hexagonal shape. To get a hexagon, just add a circle and lower the number of used vertices to 6. With grid snap on my control key, I scale the hexagon up to 14.5 millimeters and a little bit more, just 0.2 or 0.3 millimeter to compensate the shrinking of the PLA material. Then I extrude the vertices to 50 millimeter height. Rotating the object by 90 degrees seems to be a good idea. Now it's time to create the opening. Round up the edges and add thickness to it by using the solidify modifier. The same procedure I use for the holder of the bits holder. Adding a plane, scaling, using the mirror modifier, create an opening, applying the mirror modifier, adding the solidify modifier. I have now to duplicate the bit holder. I swear, I find better word next time. And place them to the right position to create a support position. Rotating the object by 90 degrees seems to be a good idea. Rotating the object by 90 degrees seems to be a good idea. Rotating the object by 90 degrees seems to be a good idea. Rotating the object by 90 degrees seems to be a good idea. To be sure I have taken the right measurement, I printed the parts really quick and dry fitted them to see if I have to do some more changes. As you can see, the screwdriver and the bit holders are fitting very well. I think I'm happy with that result. Okay, at first let's finish the screwdriver holder. I will create a bottom on that hexagon and put a hole in to give the screwdriver a little bit more stability. It's now time to think about how to put all together. The screwdriver holder and the most back bit holder should be on the same plane. And instead of leaning back, as I mentioned before, the bit holders they should lean forward to save space and material. I don't think the bit holders are falling out because the bit holders are sitting really tight in the holder. And a little bit of rotating, extruding for the Boolean modifier should do the trick to finish up the holder.
So while editing this video, I realized that I missed some footage. Footage of how I brought the whole thing together. I don't know why it is missing. I think it is because I messed up. I didn't press the record button. For whatever reason, I didn't do it. I have not found anywhere any footage of that. So please, I have to apologize. Sorry.
And now it's time to slice, print, and to pray. And my praying failed badly. As you can see, I did a big boo-boo. I joined the wrong object. Now I have two options. First option is to reprint the whole thing, wait a few hours, or just do a quick fix. I decided to do a quick fix with superglue and activator by using a support I removed before. I know it's not the best solution, but it works and only I will know, and you. So it's between you and me. If you like my videos, please consider to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and or a comment. Everything helps. And all I can say, thanks for watching and see you next time.